Looking for an affordable 3D printer that still delivers great results? Whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade, there are many budget-friendly options available. In this list, we'll check out the best budget 3D printers of 2025, offering great features and good performance without costing too much. Let's explore the best options for your needs. Number 5. Entina Tina2 Min. We have the Entina Tina2 Mini, and honestly, this little printer is a hidden gem, especially for beginners. If you're new to 3D printing and feeling a bit overwhelmed by the idea of assembling parts and dealing with complicated settings, the Tina2 Mini is made just for you. It comes fully assembled right out of the box, so you don't have to waste time figuring out where each piece goes or stress over the setup. Even better, it automatically levels the bed for you, which means no manual adjustments or constant tweaking. It gets everything ready on its own, saving you a lot of time and frustration. The printer features a 2.4-inch touchscreen that is very responsive, and the interface is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. You won't get lost in confusing menus or options. It's as simple as clicking print, and you're good to go. Plus, it supports both Wi-Fi printing and SD cards, offering flexibility depending on how you want to send your files. The Tina2 Mini prints with PLA filament and has a build size of 100 by 120 by 100 millimeters. While the print area isn't huge compared to some other printers, it's the perfect size for creating small items like minifigures, custom keychains, or basic parts. The print quality is also surprisingly good for its price. Another great feature is how lightweight it is, weighing only around 6 pounds, so you can easily move it around without needing a dedicated space. It's also very quiet when running, which is perfect if you want to print late at night or live in a shared space like a dorm or small apartment. Plus, maintaining the printer is super easy, and changing filaments is quick and simple. At around $159, it's one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly 3D printers available. If you've ever been curious about 3D printing, the Tina2 Mini makes it hard to resist giving it a try. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. We have the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro, a 3D printer that offers amazing value with professional-level features at a price that seems almost too good to be true. This printer is perfect for those who have moved beyond their first 3D printer and want something more advanced, yet still affordable. The Neptune 3 Pro comes packed with features usually found on higher-end machines. First, it has a fully automatic bed leveling system, saving you a lot of time and effort. You no longer need to spend hours adjusting knobs to get the first layer right. It also has a direct dual-gear extruder, which provides excellent filament control, especially when working with flexible filaments like TPU or brittle ones like PETG. The build quality is solid, thanks to the sturdy dual Z-axis design. This reduces wobble during prints, resulting in cleaner, more precise layers, even for tall and complex prints. The Neptune 3 Pro also offers a generous build volume of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, so you're not limited to small models. You can print large items like cosplay props, vases, or mechanical parts without any issues. Another great feature is how quiet this printer is. With silent stepper motors, you can run overnight prints without disturbing your sleep, and the noise level is barely louder than a fan. Setting up the printer is easy, too. The instructions are straightforward, so you won't feel lost or overwhelmed. Plus, the Elegoo community is growing fast, and there are already plenty of upgrades and mods available if you want to personalize your printer later on. The print quality is excellent right out of the box, with sharp and detailed prints that need very little fine-tuning. At around $230, the Neptune 3 Pro offers features you'd expect from more expensive machines, making it one of the best options for anyone looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. It's reliable, smooth, and a fantastic choice for your next step in 3D printing. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. We're diving deep into the resin world with the Anycubic Photon Mono 4. And if you've never printed with resin before, buckle up, because this thing will absolutely blow your mind. Resin printing offers a level of detail that's practically unattainable with standard filament printers, and the Photon Mono takes it even further. It's equipped with a cutting-edge 4K plus monochrome screen, which means the resolution and sharpness of your prints are downright insane. We're talking crystal clear lines, impossibly fine details, and professional level results that will make every project look next level. Whether you're printing miniatures for tabletop games, intricate jewelry prototypes, highly detailed figurines, or even small precision mechanical parts, this printer delivers stunning quality every single time. One of the biggest standouts here is the monochrome screen technology. Not only does it allow for much faster curing times, but it's significantly more durable than older LCD screens, lasting thousands of hours before needing replacement. This faster exposure time also means you can finish projects that would normally take all day in just a few hours, without sacrificing a hint of precision. Plus, Anycubic upgraded the light source system to provide super even, more consistent exposure across the entire print bed, which dramatically reduces the chances of failed prints, distorted edges, or weird layer inconsistencies. You're getting professional-grade performance at a fraction of the typical price. Speaking of price, you're looking at around $250, which feels like a total steal considering the insane level of detail and quality you're getting here. And while resin printing does come with a little more mess, you'll need good ventilation, nitrile gloves, and some cleaning supplies. The payoff in print quality is absolutely worth it. It's a small price to pay for prints that look straight up flawless right off the build plate. If you're chasing perfection, crave intricate details, and want a powerful yet accessible resin printer that won't blow your entire budget, the Photon Mono 4 is hands down one of the best picks you can make. Coming in strong. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. We've got the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. And let me tell you, this thing is absolutely packed with features from top to bottom. Bambu Lab came in swinging with the A1 Mini, offering high-end capabilities without the high-end price tag that usually scares people away. For starters, it has fully automatic calibration. And not just bed leveling, it measures flow rates, compensates for vibrations, and even tunes itself for optimal printing. No manual bed leveling, no fiddling with tension settings. It just works every single time, which takes so much pressure off you as a user. It's also insanely fast, printing at speeds up to 500 millimeters per second. And what's crazy is that it doesn't just sprint, it maintains incredible print quality even at those high speeds. That means you can finish prints that used to take half a day in just a couple of hours, which is a total game changer if you're working on projects under tight deadlines or even running a side hustle selling prints. Plus, if you add the optional AMS light system, you can print in multiple colors automatically. Not just swapping filaments manually mid-print, but full-on multicolor jobs that come out looking super professional. It's incredibly easy to set up, too. Even if you've never touched multi-material printing before. Beyond that, it's super beginner-friendly because of its clean app interface and the easy-to-use Bambu Studio Slicer software. Everything feels smooth, modern, and intuitive, way less intimidating than a lot of older printers. And it doesn't hurt that you can monitor your prints remotely through the cloud app, getting updates and making adjustments even if you're not in the room. As for the build, it feels premium. Solid frame, quality parts, no rattling or cheap plastic. At around $299, it's an insane value considering you're getting performance and features that usually show up on machines double or triple the cost. If you're all about speed, top-tier features, easy automation, and honestly just having a printer that's a joy to use, the A1 Mini is hands down one of the most exciting and worthwhile printers you can buy right now. And finally, taking the top spot. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3SA. It's the Creality Ender 3v3SA, truly the undisputed king of budget 3D printers. Creality basically listened to every complaint people had about earlier Ender models and said, alright, let's fix that. And fix it they did. With the V3SA, you're getting auto bed leveling and a direct drive extruder right out of the box. And trust me, these two features alone completely changed the game. No more frustrating manual bed leveling or worrying about poor filament feeding. Printing flexible filaments like TPU or just regular PLA becomes way easier and way more consistent, even for beginners. Speed-wise, it's a major upgrade, too. We're talking print speeds up to 250 millimeters per second, which is more than double the speed of the original Ender 3. And it does it without sacrificing quality. You get clean lines, crisp edges, and sturdy builds, even when you're pushing the speed limits. Plus, this thing is built like a tank with a rock-solid dual Z-axis design that keeps everything stable even on tall prints. The PEI magnetic bed is another massive win. Prints stick beautifully during the job, but once they cool, they pop off easily without needing a scraper. Way less risk of damaging your hard work. The user interface also got a complete glow-up. It's simple, intuitive, and way less frustrating than earlier versions. You can get a print going in just a few taps. The 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume is pretty much perfect for hobbyists, big enough for cosplay helmets, RC car bodies, home organization projects, and more. And let's not forget the community support. It's absolutely massive. If you ever need troubleshooting tips, mod recommendations, or just some print inspiration, there are endless YouTube videos, forums, and Facebook groups full of Ender users ready to help. Price-wise, it's an absolute steal at around $199. Whether you're just starting out, upgrading from an older printer, or looking to expand your 3D printing empire without blowing your budget, the Ender 3v3 absolutely nails it on every single level.